In this video, I'm going to show you how to reserve your username on WhatsApp. The way we have username on Telegram, TikTok, Instagram, and other platforms, we now have username on WhatsApp. So if somebody asks you for your WhatsApp contact, instead of you to give them your phone number, you just give them your WhatsApp username and they will be able to message you directly on WhatsApp. Once you're in your WhatsApp, click on you. Once it take you to this place, you are going to see this edit icon at the top here. Click on it. So once you click on it, you are going to see your name, you are going to see your about, and you are going to see username. You see reserve username in this particular place. Make sure to click on it. So once you click on it, you are going to see create username. Click on create username, then input your username. So let me input mosescnx. You can see mosescnx is available. Then you click on save. As you can see, you reserve mosescnx. When username become available, you can share your username instead of your phone number when telling someone to contact you for the first time. So we are done. Just click on this done under it here and your username is reserved. WhatsApp will also give you option to set it to everyone or select specific number of people that can message you through your username. So you can see it here. Just leave it at everyone. But wait, is WhatsApp slowly turning into Telegram? Because at this point they are just copying Telegram. If you notice, all the new features coming out on WhatsApp, Telegram already has them. We have been using username on Telegram for some years now. So I don't know. I'm just thinking, like, is WhatsApp copying Telegram? Can't they just be WhatsApp? Can't WhatsApp just be WhatsApp? For somebody like me that I don't like people calling me on normal call. Some people, they'll ask you for your WhatsApp number. Once you give them your WhatsApp number and they message you, do not reply them immediately. They'll start calling you on normal call to go and reply them on WhatsApp. So I like this feature so much. Let me know in the comment section what is your WhatsApp username if you want to share it, and let me know if you like this feature. Make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel, like this post, turn on the notification bell so anytime I post video, YouTube will notify you first. All I do on this channel is to look for legit ways you can use to earn money online, or legit ways you can stay smarter online. So once I try them out, I come to this channel and I share it with you guys. So make sure you are part of this family. You can also click on the link in my bio to join my Telegram channel where I drop legit updates you can use to make money online. So I will see you in my next post.